Welcome, welcome, welcome to our daily New England bird report from the beautiful state of Rhode Island. Here we're looking at our flight sequence of a red-bellied woodpecker coming in and landing on the suet feeder. Look at that beautiful three-point landing or two-point landing. A couple of tufted titmouses on the bird feeder. This is all in real time. You can see how fast they are and dynamic. The amazing thing is how quick they are to sense things in the environment. Another aerial perfect landing on the food tray by the downy woodpecker, and he flies off. He comes back very quickly and he travels around. This is an interesting sequence where you see how quick he behaves. You see that the red-bellied woodpecker come in and he scares away the downy. The downy's very quick to vacate the premise when he sees him coming in. We're going to watch a couple of these sequences of just watching it, of how the birds behave when it's basically air traffic control on the food tray. And they're very sensitive to the things around them. Here we see that was a nuthatch, and now is a tufted titmouse in the foreground, a downy woodpecker. Up above is a Lincoln sparrow, and you see, look at this sequence. Very interesting to watch that. A bird flutter. Here you see him jumping on the tray and the tufted titmouse coming away. Very nice. Right before the camera, he does a quick turn. This is how quick the behavior is. All this occurred very, very quickly, of all these visits, and how many he came back, how many times he came back. Hard to tell. There's a couple of red-bellied woodpeckers, and they look very much alike. So I'm not sure if that was the same one coming back or multiple. This might be, a different downy woodpecker. Or excuse me, red-bellied woodpecker. The Lincoln wren comes, or this might be a Carolina sparrow. See the nuthatch come back, and the red-bellied comes back one more time. And he does it again. So I think we've watched maybe 5, 6, maybe even 7 visits for the red-bellied woodpecker, all within a 2 to 3 minute time frame here. Now the nuthatch comes back, a couple of titmouse, one more, multiple, and he chases him away. That was a very quick sequence, 2 or 3 of them. They travel in flocks of 15 to 20, the tufted titmouse, as well as the black-capped chickadees. And here he comes back again. And 2 beautiful nuthatch. You don't usually see that 2 at a time. Another beautiful flight sequence of how quick that is. That's slowed down at least 10 times. Now a little dance here of 3. Oh, a very beautiful, that's a male downy woodpecker with the red head marking. He's cute, he's fast. They all move so quickly. All right, hope you've enjoyed this short video of watching a little bit of bird behavior of New England birds. Thank you for watching. Hope you're staying safe. Watching this video will make you kinder, smarter, more perceptive, and guess less stressful by just watching a little bit of nature. It's refreshment. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, and stay safe.